How do you format a screenplay scene when 2 or more characters are talking at the same time? There are 2 ways that you can handle it, depending on what is happening in the scene. If the overlap is minor, like people interrupting each other, then you could just describe it in the action, such as they argue, their voices overlapping, and then just write their dialogue normally. And that is all you need for brief moments of chaos. But if 2 characters are speaking at the same time, full simultaneous lines, then you can use dual dialogue. Dual dialogue means each character's name and their dialogue are written side by side instead of stacked vertically. It might look something like this. Sarah, James, I can't believe this, we're wasting time, you never listen, you never stop talking. Each person's name and dialogue are in their own column, showing the reader that they are speaking at the same time. Screenwriting software like Final Draft or Celtex or Writer Duet will do this automatically if you select both dialogue blocks and mark them as dual dialogue. If you're writing in plain text or without formatting tools, then you can indicate it manually by simply just writing dual dialogue above the section or adding overlapping under each character's name. For example, it might look like this. Sarah, overlapping. You never listen. James, also overlapping. You never stop talking. And that keeps things a bit clear without visual alignment. For scenes with large groups, like a crowd chanting or multiple people shouting at once, you can write it in the action line. The crowd chants together, and then crowd. Go, go, go! The goal is always clarity, making sure that the reader and the production team know that these lines happen simultaneously and not one after the other. And that is how to format multiple people talking at once in your screenplay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.